Lawyering is not all about courtroom drama. A lot of what lawyers do is on paper. Between reading and writing, I really enjoyed the analysis in the law, and I enjoyed writing. I started working as a law clerk at the Court of Common Pleas 2 weeks after law school graduation. So during my lunch hours and on the weekends, I'd study as much as I possibly could. Took the bar exam in July and was sworn in later that year. So then I became a staff attorney. You know, interestingly, I promised the judge that I would stay for 2 years. And 11 years later, I'm still employed with him. One of my first assignments was a motion for summary judgment in a civil action. And I was handed the file, I was handed the motions, and and Judge Jensen said, write it up the way you think it should be. Now, for a first assignment out of law school, it was a little intimidating. I wasn't told what the answer was supposed to be, and it was good for me because it made me analyze the law. It made me look very closely at the briefs and find an answer. But it wasn't the judging that really inspired me. It was the law. And it was not about winning. It wasn't one side or the other. It wasn't the advocacy that we learned in law school. It was about being right, about finding the answer. The job evolved. The judge asked me if I was interested in doing some magistrate work in his courtroom. I started with ex parte hearings on civil stalking protection orders. Basically, I would have to make a determination, a credibility determination. Someone would come into the court and ask for protection because someone had threatened them. I learned a lot about courtroom and procedure. The court gives people an opportunity to tell their story. And that's a big part of every litigation. Whether it's civil or criminal, everyone has a story. And the court is obligated to listen. Whether they have a lawyer on their side or they don't, everyone that walks into the courtroom is treated the same, and they should be.